Enoch Burke is continuing to flagrantly breach a court order directing him not to trespass at Wilson's Hospital School, Judge David Nolan found. The judge said Mr Burke had not purged his contempt of court, he had doubled down on it. Judge Nolan said Mr Burke had failed to pay almost €80,000 in fines imposed on him by the High Court for contempt and was continuing to receive his salary as a teacher, estimated at around €48,000, pending the hearing of his appeal against his dismissal. He has spent more than 500 days in Mountjoy prison, and the judge said he seemed to regard himself as a martyr. Judge Nolan said all the court was trying to ensure was that Mr Burke, along with all other citizens of the state, abided by the rule of law. The judge said the school had already expended significant money and time pursuing Mr Burke. All it wanted to do was act as a school, and he said the Attorney General should intervene in the public interest. This particular case, he said, had preoccupied the nation for far too long. The judge said he would allow the Attorney General to seek a type of order called a garnishee order. This allows a creditor to seek their money from a third party who owes money to the debtor. It would allow the Attorney General to seek deductions from the salary owed to Enoch Burke by the Departments of Finance and Education in order to pay the contempt of court fines. The judge said he intends to increase the daily fine Mr Burke must pay for breaching the court order to €1,400, and he said he wants a sworn document outlining his assets and income by this day week. The judge also said the significant lack of legislation in relation to civil contempt of court should be dealt with as a matter of urgency. The case will be back in court next month. Orla O'Donnell, RTE News.